Sound Partners 1, Lesson 44. Today we will review previous sounds. Ready? Qu, queen, whale, vet, sheep, flower, fish, ed, queen, skunk, thumb, slide, apple, slide, queen, itch, cherry, vet, window, yellow, whale, slide, sheep, skunk, cherry. Now get your pencil and paper ready as we listen to 8 sounds. Write the letter or letter pairs that make the sounds that you hear. Number 1,
sk.
Number 2,
Qu.
Number 3,
Sl.
Number 4,
Wa.
Number 5, Number 6,
Fl.
Number 7,
E.
and the last one.
E.
Let's check your answers. Ready? The first sound was made by the letter pair SK. The second, QU. The third, SL. The fourth, WH. The fifth, TH. Number 6, FL. Number 7, E. And number 8, I. Now let's practice sounding these words out and reading them fast. Let's practice with the word in the box. Ready? Is, quiz. Is, quiz. Whip. Much. Skid, with, quit, in, when, bath, chaps, such, skips, thud, them, chimp, ilt, quilt. What sound does whip start with? Wh. What sound does whip end with? P. What is the middle or the vowel sound in whip? I. What does bath start with? B. What sound does bath end with? F. What is the middle sound or the vowel sound in bath? A. What sound does when start with? What sound does when end with? N. What is the middle or the vowel sound in when? Eh. What sound does thud start with? Th. What sound does thud end with? D. What is the middle or the vowel sound in thud? Now let's practice spelling these words. The first word we're going to spell is the word skid. Let's stretch it out and listen for the sounds. Sk-id, skid. Now write the letters that represent the sounds you hear in the word skid. The next word, bath. Let's stretch out the word bath. Now write the letters that represent the sounds you hear in the word bath. And the last word, quiz. Let's stretch it out. Quiz. And now write the letters that represent the sounds you hear in the word quiz. Let's check your spelling. The first word was skid. Skid. S-K-I-D, skid. The second word was bath. Bath. B-A-T-H, bath. And the last word was quiz. Quiz. Q-U-I-Z, quiz. Now let's practice reading and spelling our sight words. Ready? She, S-H-E, she. Over, O-V-E-R, over. Were, W-E-R-E, were. They, T-H-E-Y, they. She's, S-H-E', she's. Saw, S-A-W, saw. Were, W-E-R-E, were. Saw, S-A-W, saw. Into, I-N-T-O, into. There, T-H-E-R-E, there. They, T-H-E-Y, they. I'll, I''L-L, I'll. Now let's just read each word. Ready? She, over. Were. They. She's. Saw. Were. Saw. Into. There. They. I'll. Now let's spell three of those words. The first word we will spell is the word I'll. Remember, I'll is a contraction and it stands for I will. Write the letters that make up the word I'll. The second word, into. Write the letters that make up the word into. And the last word, there. I will be there. Write the letters that make up the word there. All right, let's check your spelling. The first word was aisle, capital I, apostrophe LL. Into, INTO. And the last word, there, THERE, there. Now let's practice reading these sentences. Ready? The class had a quiz. The class had a quiz. Meg was ill. Meg was ill. She missed the quiz. She missed the quiz. Altogether, the class had a quiz. Meg was ill. She missed the quiz. Point to the ED. When we add ED to the end of a word, it means that something already happened. The ED ending in some words has the ed sound. These words have an added syllable or beat when they end in ED. I'm going to say pat with this ending. Patted. Your turn. Touch the box and say pat with this ending. Now touch the box and say hunt with this ending. Hunted. Now try it with the word pet. Petted. Now let's read some more words. Ready? Mend, mended. Rent, rented. Test, tested. Pet, petted. Pat, patted. Lift, lifted. Remember, when you add ed to the end of a word, it makes it mean that it's already happened. Now I'll say some word pairs. First, say each word and listen to hear if there is a or a n sound at the end of the word. Then spell the word pairs. The first word pair, vet, vent. Spell vet and vent on your paper. Vet is V-E-T, vent is V-E-N-T. The next pair, shut, shunt. Shut, shunt. Shut is S-H-U-T. Shunt, S-H-U-N-T. The next pair, lap, lamp. Lap, lamp. Lap, L-A-P, and lamp, L-A-M-P. The next pair, runt and rut. Runt, rut. Runt is R-U-N-T. Rut, R-U-T. The next pair, limp, lip. Limp, lip. Limp is L-I-M-P. Lip, L-I-P. Now let's read these words. Ready? B-et, bet, b-ent, bent, bet, bent. Ung, hung, ug, hug, hung, hug. App, rap, amp, ramp, rap, ramp. Add, had, and, hand, had, hand. Now let's do some extra practice with our letter pairs. Write the letters that make these sounds. First sound, qu. The next sound, wh. The next sound, sh. Number 4, sl. Number 5, fl. And the last one, sk. Let's check. The first sound was made by QU. The second sound, WH. The third sound, SH. The fourth sound, SL. The fifth sound, FL. And the last sound, SK. Now let's practice reading these words. Ready? Quip, quip. Skim, skim. Flat, flat. Chip, chip. Slap, slap. Ip, whip. Now let's spell these words. Ready? The first word, fled, fled. Number two, thin, thin. Number three, shed, shed. Number four, skip, skip. Number five, sled, sled. And number six, when, when. All right, let's check. The first word was fled, FLED, fled. The next word, thin, THIN, thin. Number three, shed, SHED, shed. Number four, skip, SKIP, skip. The next one, sled, SLED, sled. And the last one, when, WHEN, when. Now let's practice reading these nonsense words. Ready? Chog, chog. Up, slup. Ep, flep. Et, that. Skeb, skeb. Cham, cham. Now let's practice writing some nonsense words. The first word is the word slep, slep. The next word, quag. Quag. And the last word, skib. Skib. All right, let's check your answers. Slep, S-L-E-P, slep. Quag, Q-U-A-G, quag. And skib, S-K-I-B, skib. Today our story we're going to read is called Rub-a-Dub. Rub-a-Dub. Anne had six cats in a box. Anne had 6 cats in a box. The cats got out. The cats got in the mud. The cats got in the mud. Anne put the cats in the tub. Anne put the cats in the tub. Rub-a-dub-dub. 6 cats in the tub. Anne had to rub the mud. Anne had to rub the mud off the cats. The cats got mad. The cats got mad. The cats got out of the tub. The cats ran to the box. The cats ran to the box. Anne fell. Anne fell. Anne was in the mud. Rub-a-dub-dub. Anne is in the tub. The end. All right, let's read our story one more time today. Rub-a-dub. Rub-a-dub. Anne had 6 cats in a box. The cats got out. The cats got in the mud. Anne put the cats in the tub. Rub-a-dub-dub. 6 cats in the tub. Anne had to rub the mud off the cats. The cats got mad. The cats got out of the tub. The cats ran to the box. Anne fell. Anne was in the mud. Rub-a-dub-dub. Anne is in the tub. The end. And that's the end of our lesson today.